Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming servers and giving transient issues a short window. Many problems clear in 5–10 minutes. Next, force close Roblox or your browser and reopen it to refresh your session. Once done, reboot your device and try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data. This isolates local network problems. If you're on a VPN, disable it now. These steps eliminate the most common, quick fixes so you don't waste time on deeper troubleshooting. Now dig into cache and permissions because stale data or blocked access often breaks the friends list. Clear the Roblox app cache or browser cookies and site data, then sign in again to rebuild local files. Make sure the app has storage and network permissions and that background data isn't restricted. If problems persist, flush DNS on your device or reset network settings. Alternatively, test via another router or hotspot. To rule out, finish by isolating account versus client problems. Log into Roblox on a different device or use a different account on yours. Once you confirm it's the client, reinstall Roblox, uninstall, reboot, then install fresh to clear corrupted files. Make sure to back up any local settings first. If the friends list still fails, gather logs, exact timestamps, and a concise reproduction sequence, then contact Roblox support. One key tip: include network traceroute or ping results to speed diagnosis if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.